Hey there everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marissa. For those of you who are new here, I wanted to just put this clip in because while I was editing today's video, I noticed that I didn't really introduce myself, and I just wanted to go ahead and do that for those who may not know me. So I'm Marissa, I'm a pharmacist and health coach. I share a lot of healthy living content here on my channel, and I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope that you enjoyed today's video. It's a little bit different than what I usually post here on YouTube, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I certainly enjoyed making it for you. So enjoy! Good morning, you guys. So I am sharing what a typical Sunday morning looks like for me. Lately, I have been enjoying having slower paced and more relaxing mornings on Sundays. Most mornings I feel the go, go, go and gotta get things done mentality. And so usually by Sunday, I am definitely in the mood to sleep in and enjoy a more relaxing morning. So I like to start off by making breakfast. Most mornings I eat oatmeal, as you all are well aware if you have seen my What I Eat in a Days. But today I wanted to switch it up, and I had been craving lemon poppy seed pancakes all week long. And so I was like, today I'm going to make them. So that's what I made. I found the recipe on the food blog called Ambitious Kitchen. I will leave a link for it down below in the description box. They were very easy to make, made with healthy ingredients, and incredibly delicious. I know that you guys are going to love them just like I do. I also have a few blueberry bushes that are in my backyard garden, and I saw just a couple of blueberries that needed to get picked, so I went outside to get those. As you can see, these are not ripe yet, but they're coming. This one is definitely looking good, so I'm gonna take him. But see, they're all coming, so looking good. Look at this one, it's like so heavy it's dragging on the floor. The majority of blueberries have been picked from the first two bushes, but the last two are still like ripening. But I did see a few, pretty much four, that needed to be picked, and I'm going to enjoy every single one of these on my pancakes this morning. And actually, I'll put on, I'm gonna have this one just like now. Nothing beats that. That's so good. And now there are three. This looks so good. I'm so excited to try it. I love my syrup on the side versus like on top of the pancakes, but let me know, are you a syrup on the side or a syrup on top of your pancakes kind of person? Whoa. That's amazing. What a winner. Oh my gosh, you have to make this. I also made a cup of decaf tea. I have this every morning, and then after enjoying my breakfast, I like to journal a little bit. So I write down my thoughts, my prayers, dreams, goals, truly whatever is just on my mind right then and there. And then I'm also currently working my way through this book right here. It's called Meditations for Seasons of Waiting. Something that I have been working on for myself lately is trying to devote more attention to my spiritual health. So reading the Bible more and spending more time with God. And this book book has helped guide me to verses that teach on topics that I'm looking for, and I have found it to be very helpful. And then I will go and find those verses in the Bible and read them again there. Afterwards, I go inside to clean up. I stored the remaining pancake batter so that I could enjoy these pancakes throughout the week. And then I also like to get my diffuser going for the day. It really helps me just set the tone and the mood for my day. Today I diffused a really fun summer blend called Seaside, and it literally smells like I'm at the beach, which is awesome. There's no synthetic fragrance or fillers in there, just the essential oils from the plants, so very natural. If you are brand new to essential oils and you're kind of looking for a way to kind of ease in and get started with them, I highly recommend the Premium Starter Bundle. It comes with 12 very popular oils that are really great to make your home smell really good and also support your body and your wellness in a variety of ways, plus a diffuser. And it's the best way to get started. It's how I got started, and I'll leave a link for it down below in the description box. Then I finished up the dishes and put those away, and then I went to finish getting ready for my day. So my makeup routine is pretty minimal, which is the way that I like it. I have one makeup look and that's about it. That's all I can do. I wish I was a little bit more skilled with makeup, but I'm working with what I got. So I use a little concealer under my eyes. I like to use some eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara. And then I also add on some blush. I love like a nice pink blush, especially for the summer. And then I finish it all off with some lip gloss. I also apply some oils as well. I apply a blend called Endoflex over my neck where the thyroid is, and I do this to help support energy. And then I like to apply another blend called Valor on my wrist for confidence and courage vibes for the day. It's great emotional support oil. Plus it smells really good and it works great as an all-natural perfume. Then I quickly style my hair, and then I am done getting ready for my day. All right. Makeup is done. I can see again because I put my glasses back on, and I didn't really have to do much to my hair today because I washed it last night. So that one is good to go. So I am now sitting down at my desk in my office, and this is usually the point on Sunday mornings where I like to kind of like just loosely plan out my week ahead. So I have my planner here, and I just kind of write down anything that's maybe due for the week, any like projects that I'm currently working on. I will write that down in here as well, any appointments or just truly anything that needs to kind of get done for the week. And I like to make like a loose schedule. So I basically just write down like what I want to accomplish and then kind of just like cross it off as I get to them during the week. I like to have a loose schedule because if it's too rigid and strict, then that can actually cause me a lot of stress and anxiety, and that's just not what I want. This is supposed to help me not create extra problems in my life. And then the other thing that I like to do is some sort of continuing education. I really think that it's super important. So this could be any type of like personal self-growth. So I could be listening to a podcast or reading a book. I like to do maybe like some business or marketing training. I will do like nutrition or pharmacy continuing education. So it's kind of like differs each week. It really just depends on maybe like what I'm in the mood for and like what I want to kind of tackle. And yeah, so that is basically my morning. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Before I do, I just wanted to share a Bible verse that I read in here this morning. If this is not your jam, I understand, just skip this part of the video. But I wanted to read it because it really spoke to me and it was really helpful to me, and I thought that it could be helpful to you as well, because this one is called Meditations for Seasons of Waitings, and I feel like so many of us can be in a season of waiting and it's really hard, and we have to deal with, you know, feeling impatient and frustrated that maybe things aren't going our way or whatever. So I found this to be really helpful. It really spoke to me and I wanted to read it to you. So the verse is 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 57 to 58. But thanks be to God who gives us the victory through our Lord Jesus Christ. Therefore, my dear brothers and sisters, be steadfast, immovable, always excelling in the Lord's work, because you know that your labor in the Lord is not in vain. So that really spoke to me, and hopefully it helps one of you as well. So that is all I have for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more healthy living content. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending the morning with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.